Hello everyone. In this video, I shall tell you how in testing the optimality in case of the stepping stone method, the step how to make a loop, in case of stepping stone method and where to make a loop. So I'll take the example I had previously taken in my previous video, but for more videos and to stay tuned to get notifications about these videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel so that you get clarity about each and every step I'm performing. So as I've mentioned, I've taken this matrix and I've made the allocations according to Google's approximation method. I've discussed this in my previous video, so you can make the allocations. So I had also tested the rim requirement. So this is satisfying the rim requirement of m plus n minus 1. I've discussed about the rim requirement and the non-degeneracy in my previous video. So this is the rim requirement. So this is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the number of allocations. Now how to make a loop in case of stepping stone method. The loop has to be made on the watered squares पे इसलिए लूप बनानी है क्योंकि हमारे स्टोन स्क्वायर्स पे ऑलरेडी एलोकेशन है, तो अगर हमने एलोकेशन शिफ्ट करनी है तो वो वाटर्ड पे ही हो पाएगी. वाटर्ड स्क्वायर्स as I told you in my previous video are squares without allocation. Okay, so I'll test this xb is a watered square. So xb, I'll check whether I can make a loop. Yes, I can make a loop like this. So this is a loop, plus minus plus minus. This is the signs I allocate to the loop. So xb is a place where I can make the loop. Then another watered square is this one. This is another watered square. Can I make a loop over here? Yes, I can make a loop over here. I can make a loop. I can go from here till here and then go here, and I have to move only from the watered, and I can take a turn only from the stone square. So this is plus and minus. So I can make a loop. I have to start with the watered square. I have to move this way, and I can always turn on a stone square only and return from a stone square only. Okay, then 120. So the loop in this case is 280. So I'll make a loop in this case. How can I make a loop in this case? I can okay, so to make a loop for 280, so I'll write down this again and I'll make a loop here, so for greater clarity. So this is, I go here. Okay, I have to move only at the stone square, so I'll move here. Then I cannot turn here because it is not a stone square. I can turn here. This is a stone square. This is a stone square. This is a stone square, and I come back to 280. So this is the loop for 280. So I'll make an allocate. I'll put the signs plus minus plus minus plus माइनस एंड आई विल कम बैक टू प्लस. सो इफ़ यू बिगिन विद प्लस, अगर आपने प्लस से शुरू किया है तो रिटर्न पे भी प्लस ही आना चाहिए. चाहे मैं इस डायरेक्शन में जाऊँ, प्लस माइनस प्लस माइनस प्लस माइनस, तो मेरा वो ही आना चाहिए. देन टू मेक अ लूप फॉर 140 इट इज सिंपल. दिस इज़ द ओनली वाटर्ड स्क्वायर लेफ्ट. सो दिस इज this way and this way. I'll make my loop. Okay, so here 140, and but I had to turn. So let's see, I'll make a loop for 140. I'll again write the matrix here. and I'll make a loop for 140 now. That is the only one left. So this is my matrix. Okay, so now I have to make a loop on 140. So I'll make a loop. How I'll make a loop? I'll simply go here. I can cross the stone squares. I will move at the stone squares only, and I'll come back. So plus, minus, plus, minus. So this is how to make a loop. You have to make a loop at the watered squares only, and you just have to move at the stone squares and come back to the place. The sign should be plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, both ways. So the same sign should be there. So this is how where and how you make a loop in case of stone squares. In my next video, I shall be telling you how to deal with stone squares.